Hey, Talca Detector, welcome. Thank you. All the way from Chile. Thank you for being here. You're so sweet. Y'all be sure and go over to our fellow YouTubers. We've got Talca Detector, Jersey Ray Diggs. I know we've got now Joanna. Check out her articles. Other detectorists on here as well that are YouTubers. If you're a YouTuber, type your name in chat. And make sure you all go over and support them. Hit that subscribe button and check out some of their videos. And Talca always supports all of the other YouTubers, has a great channel. So y'all be sure and go over there and give him a hello.